So you want to register for a webinar or workshop? We got you covered. Make sure you log into your Musicplay Workshops account before you start registering for workshops. When you've found a free webinar that you want to attend, click on the thumbnail and select the green button, Register. You will know that you've registered when the background turns yellow and you see the webinar information. If you want to participate in one of our paid workshops, click on the thumbnail. You will see all the important information, the price, and the green button will either prompt you to create an account, if you're not logged in, or use a credit card to purchase your ticket. Musicplay Workshops does not store your credit card information, and there are no recurring fees.